Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 18th, 2025, and we're diving into FactSet's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. FactSet has delivered some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. FactSet reported a Q4 revenue of $596.9 million, marking a 6.2% increase from the previous year. For the full fiscal year 2025, revenue reached $2.32 billion, up 5.4%. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by FactSet's strong performance with institutional buy-side and wealth clients. The company's ability to expand its client base and increase its annual subscription value, ASV, has been pivotal. Additionally, the Q4 adjusted EPS of $4.05, which is an 8.3% increase year over year, reflects their effective cost management and revenue growth.
And what about their profitability metrics?
FactSet's GAAP operating margin for Q4 increased significantly to 29.7%, up 700 basis points from last year. This improvement is largely due to revenue growth and the resolution of a Massachusetts sales tax dispute from the prior year. However, the adjusted operating margin saw a slight decline due to higher technology expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $4.15 for this quarter, but FactSet reported an adjusted EPS of $4.05. How should investors interpret this slight miss?
While the adjusted EPS came in 10 cents below the forecast, it's important to note the 8.3% year-over-year growth. The miss can be attributed to margin compression and higher technology expenses. Despite this, the overall financial health and growth trajectory of FactSet remains strong, as evidenced by their consistent revenue growth and strategic investments.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, FactSet has provided guidance for fiscal 2026 with expected revenues between $2.42 billion and $2.45 billion. What strategic initiatives are they focusing on to achieve this?
FactSet is at a strategic inflection point, focusing on AI and data-driven innovation to reshape workflows across financial markets. CEO Sanoke Viswanathan emphasized their commitment to leveraging technology and data capabilities to drive long-term value. Additionally, the company has increased its quarterly dividend by 6%, reflecting confidence in their future cash flows and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Operational efficiencies and market position. FactSet has also shown impressive operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their market position and operational highlights?
Absolutely. FactSet's client count increased by 9.5%, and user growth was up by 9.7%, indicating strong market demand for their services. Their free cash flow for Q4 was $178.1 million, a 29.8% increase, showcasing their efficient cash management. Additionally, they repurchased $106.6 million worth of shares, which is a positive signal to investors about the company's confidence in its valuation and future prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, FactSet has delivered a solid performance in Q4 and fiscal 2025, with strong revenue growth and strategic initiatives paving the way for future success. Despite a slight EPS miss, the company's operational efficiencies and market position remain robust. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing FactSet's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FactSet's performance in the comments below. Until next time.